Hope you are doing well. Today our topic agenda is how to create Excel file with date time on each package execution in SSIS package. So this video is very important for those who are looking for how to extract or how to transfer the data from SQL to Excel file with automation. So it's very simple, it's very easy. I will explain you each and every step in a very good and clear way. So hope it will be very easy for you. So let's have a look to the table of contents. What are the table of contents? There are 9 table of contents. First one is how to load data in SQL Server table from CSV file. I will explain you how to create a database, how to create tables, how to insert the data in SQL Server table from CSV file. How to create a DB schema and table, I will show you this as well. How to load data from SQL table to Excel sheet. How to use data conversion transformation to convert SQL data to Excel data types. How to use OLEDB source and Excel destination in SSIS package. How to use variables in SSIS package. How to write expressions to get date time in SSIS package, how to use variable in Excel connection manager to provide file name with date and time. The last one is how to use delay validation property in SSI package to ignore prevalidation in SSI package. So let's have a look to the first point. Our first point is how to load data in SQL Server DB table from CSV file. As you are seeing that I have CSV file or you can say text file. Okay, CSV file actually is the comma separated file, so here I have the comma separated file. Okay, so you can also create this file by yourself as well, just to make sure that each and everything is okay. Here I have 4 columns: customer code, customer name, customer amount, and sales data. You can put all the values by yourself, whatever you want inside this, whatever you want to give them date and time. So it's very easy and it's very simple. So this is 10 record. We will insert this in our table. Okay, so let's have a look how to create database. First we will create the new database. Even I have the old databases as well, so we can also create the table inside this, but I will show you how to create database first. It's very simple. You can give name data my database, or you can type anything. Okay, so I will add and okay, provide a file name for the file. Okay, okay, our data my database is created here. So this is the number first step. Second step is that inside this database we are having database diagram, table views, synonym, property, programmability, service broker, and but first what I will do, we will create a new database, new table. Okay, here we are having table. Okay, you can also put the value of all the columns which are in CSV file, and it will be create the structure of the table. Okay, or you can do one thing more. You can take this is the script. Okay, and you can use this as well, so it's also very helpful for us. Okay, let's have my table name is customer data. You can also change the data as well, customer record or whatever customer information. You can put anything inside this customer information. Okay, so let's have a create this table. um, what I will do, I will right click on here, file table. I will put here file table. Okay, this is a file table. I will do this, and so table has been successfully executed in like, because usually I am using this. You can also use the other method as well. So let me make sure that table has been successfully created or not. So table has been successfully created. Currently we are having four record. Just is a structure of the table: customer code, customer name, customer amount, sales data. Here we are having customer code, customer name, customer amount, sales data. So our data has our table structure has been, database has been created, table has been created, we are having CSV files. So what we will do the next, we will move the data to the database. So let's open the new project, and I am giving the name to my project, or you can give anything by date. My project, I will mention the date as well. Okay, so it will be created accordingly. So the new project has been successfully created. We are having, if you are not aware about what are control flow, what are data flow, parameters, event handle, package explorer, so you can also uh, uh, check this by yourself. Or if you want to know from my side anything, so you can also ask from me. So here we are having solution explorer. Inside the project we are having different packages. Okay, so I will give the package name to uh, export load data to DB. Okay, so I am giving this to, so for this we are having two things. One is source file. Okay, source file is, our source file is flat file or text file. You can also consider this as a text file. So what we will do, we will go to the data flow. Here we have nothing, so we can copy the source. First we will see the source. So our source file is flat source file. Okay, I will make the connection. You can, where is my file? CSV file. I'm giving the name to CSV file. CSV file. So this is my file. I will write here. Okay, we are having columns, review, each and everything is okay. Advanced, and just to make sure that everything is okay, there is no such issue with this file. Okay, so till that everything is okay. Okay, so it's okay. So source file is successfully done. Now we will go to the destination. Okay, so here we are having OLDEDB. So what I will do, I will make a connection for this. I think we were having the new database, so it will take time. Sorry for that. Let's see, hope for the best. If it not work, so okay. Here I will put my name, like this is my name, uh, server name. Okay, and after that I will check the databases which I will create. What was the name of the data, my database? Okay, so my database is successfully created. Here, what was the name of the table? This was our table. Okay, viewing this, so we are having four field. It's okay. So let's have a mapping. How we will map? See, because currently, okay, because I did not take the input of this and did not connect this to this, so that's why we are not having anything inside the mapping. So here you go with the mapping. Okay, so mapping is done, each and everything is done. So customer net cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode string data types. Okay, so here I am receiving some kind of data conversion error. So it's very easy, it's very simple. But before we go to the to fix this error, so let me show you something over here. Um, Let me just drop this table. Okay, we will truncate this table. Okay, so table has been truncated because in my last video I did not show you the design. Okay, because just created the primary key for this, because you can put here remove primary key, and you can also insert the set primary key, because first column will be always primary key, so it will be good in order to make sure that everything is okay. So here I am receiving the error that because in my flat file we are having customer name cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode. So what I will do, I will remove this connection, and I will go to the ASSI, and I will take this data conversion. Okay, in the data conversion, what I will do, I will connect this, I will open this, and I will put all the columns over here. And then what I will do, I will change the data type of the to Unicode string. Okay, because if I am not doing this, because this error is come for just customer name, so I will also remove for the remaining name in order to transfer all the data in it. So this is done, data conversion is done. So I will connect this to OLDB. Okay, here we are already having mapping, so we can change the mapping to copy customer code, copy customer name. The input will be in the form of copy customer um, amount, and the last one is copy of sales data. So it's done. So the error has been removed. You can also give that you can also rename data type conversion, uh, extract from text file or CSV file. You can also change the name as well, so it will be also good. You also load data in table, load data in DB. So let's run the package. Either it will be successfully first save all. Okay, and I will run this. So the 10 rows have been successfully sent over here and then move here. So we will see that table is uh, now we can check that data is successfully inserted in the database or not. So we can insert like we can see like this. So data has been successfully inserted in the database. So how to load data in SQL Server DB table from CSV file. So this has been successfully done. How to create a DB schema and table in database. This has been successfully done. How to, you can create a DB schema, and how to create a table, and how to make a primary key, and so this is done from our side. So how to load data from SQL Server table to Excel sheet. So this is very important. So we will see that how we can do this. Okay. This was our first package. First need to first stop this. Okay. So let's make another package, new SSI package, and I am giving the name to this to load data in Excel file from DB. Okay, this is my load data in Excel in DB. Okay, this is my new package. Okay, this oh, I think sorry, I renamed this. I I have changed the name to this is my new package where I mention load data into Excel file from DB. Okay, this is my new package, and this one I will change to load data from CSV to DB. Okay, so this is already we have. So this is the new package. Okay, so first construct the new package in the data flow. We are not having anything. So what we will do, we will go here. We will make what we will make. We will because what we have. What is my source? So source is OLDB. First, I will make the connection for this OLDB. Sorry. Okay. New here is customer data DB. Sorry, my database. Okay, inside the database we are having customer information. Okay, so here we are having two methods. If we can also put the command over here as well. What kind of command we can put here? So we will get the command from here like select top 100. Okay, so this is so we will take this and we will put here. Okay, preview. Everything is okay because this data will be inserted in the Excel file just to make sure that. Okay, now we are working for the for the data insert in the Excel file. So it's done, successfully done, it's successfully configured. So what is our destination path? So destination is Excel destination, so we are having Excel destination. So first we will configure this. Mhm. Before we configure this, let's make some folders which will be easy for us. Okay, let's suppose here we are having the folder already. Okay, these are the folders which I made before for one of my project, but I will remove this. Okay, because I am having some space issue, so it will be not make any issue for us. Let's see what is inside this, cause we need the template. Okay, so we just need the template, but customer trade code like the one which we made for the table. If you remember the same one, customer information. Okay, so customer code, customer name, customer amount, this we need as a template. Okay, so we will save this. Okay, because we are having the template as well, so it will be easy for us. Okay, so let's go to the SSI packages. So what I will see, I will give the path name for this SSI package new project. Here we are having customer data one. Okay, so I will take this. First row has column names. Okay, so here we are having sheet. So view data existing. Here we are having only. So let's have a mapping. Mapping will be done once we connect to this. Okay, so let's have a mapping. So big mapping is successfully done. Okay, so I will see that currently there is no data inside this table. Let me show you again in order to make sure that everything is okay for you. If not, so nothing is inside the data. I just give sheet as an variable. So what I will do, I will run the package and will see that data will be successfully executed or not executed. So 10 rows have been successfully executed in this table. Let me show you the time because my time is coming here 5:24. So data has been successfully inserted over here. So our challenge has been done successfully. how to load data from SQL Server table to Excel sheet. So the first point is how to use data conversion transformation to convert SQL data to Excel data type. This is we already have done in our loading script data conversion data type. Okay, this is similar to the one. If you are not doing this, so you can also do in Excel level as well. If you are any question related to this, you can ask me in comment box. I will let you know how to do this in Excel as well. So it's also very simple. This is just a matter of how to change the data type, because I already changed here like I mentioned Unicode string, so it will not giving any kind of error. So it's also clear how to use OLEDB source and Excel destination in SIS package. Okay, so here we were having OLEDB source and Excel destination to load the data, and we already see this, that how to insert data in the table as well. As we can see that, yeah. So here was we were having the data in the table. So table was also populated. Okay. So our next challenge is how to use variable in SSIS package. So this is very important. So let's go to this part and we will see. Before we go to this part, so let's create some kind of variables. Okay. Okay. Here I am going to create three variables. The first variable will be the template file. First variable will be the template file. Okay. For each and every step, for each and every variable, you will put the value. The data type will be string. Okay. So where is my template folder? This is my template folder, and inside the template folder we were just having what's inside the template. Okay. 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 The second one is we will create the data files. Okay, data files. So how we will create it will be also string, and what will be the file for data string. So I will show you data file. Here you go with the data folder. So here we will be having, okay, this is the data files. Okay, we will create this, and the third way is data folder. This is data folder. Okay, we can make this data folder. Okay, but sorry, here need to change the string. Okay, but in the data folder I also mentioned the name of the file as well. What is the name of the file? So it's here you go with the name of the file. Oh, because it's not copying properly, so what I will do, I will paste here data excel file, and then I will copy the path, so it will be easy for us. So okay, so we will put over here because we need this as well. Okay, data files, data folder. This is the data folder, so data files. So we will create the folder, data folder as well. How we will create the data folder? Uh, Currently we are having expression like this, and after that I will mention like product information.
product data. Okay, uh, product data underscore. Okay, so expression is going. Okay, product data. So here we are having the get data. I will put some kind of string over here, um, which is date and time, because we need the date and time. This is that data are incorporated to binary operator plus. And okay, so we will fix this as well. No problem. Okay, product data underscore. Okay, giving us some kind of error, but we will see this as well. And after that, we will put some kind of string. Yes, typecast. Yes, here we are having typecast. Yes, so here we will put like this, and and the length is 29. So because it was giving some kind of error, so we fixed like this. We put Unicode format over here, and after that it get fixed. So currently we are having date over here. So our next challenge is um, how to this is date, sorry, get date function, sorry. Okay, so the next challenge is how to put time as well. So date and time, we are having get okay, state of the system. Here we are. Okay, so let's put the str substring. Okay, because as you are saying that the time is coming over here will more than, but we need only this part till seconds, not milliseconds or something like that. So we will put operator sub str is um, yes. Here we are having substring, so we will make the mapping for this. Okay. So what we will do, we will copy this. Okay. This is the format of the sub str string. Okay. What you will do, here we will put the same data, the old data inside the character expression, and then what we are going to do, we are going to start with 1, and then we are going that 19. So let's have a look. So it's changed to 5. Date and time will be 5:44:52 seconds, because I need the same as well. And the other challenge is, if we put the date that if we save the file with this extension, so it will be not saved in Excel as well. So let me show you something over here. Let's suppose if I am going to change the name, so you see that file name cannot contain any of the following, so this character should be avoided in our file. So let me fix this for you. Okay, so we are having another function which is called replace. We will put here replace. Okay, in the replace, just take this part characters. Okay, we will take this and we will put here. So first thing is done. The second is the search expression. What kind of expression we need? We are going to search. We are going to search this. Okay, and we are going to replace this with nothing. So it will be changed. Okay, this has been successfully changed over here. So this has been done. Okay, the next part is we will put at the end that XLX as XLSX. Okay, so what we will do for this as well. So it's very important. This one is very complicated. So just note down with yourself. So it will be helpful for you. XLX. So our expression has been successfully completed. So we will take this as well because we need this in our next files uh, when we configure the expression. Okay, so I have copied this, so we will see later. So this has been successfully done, data folder and all these things. Okay, so variable has been successfully created. Mm, So what we will do, file system task. For file system, first configure the file system task. Here we are having destination. Yes, destination will be true, and we were having data files. Yes, and here the source. Yes, we are having the source, and we are having the mm, template file. Okay, so source and destination is there. No, if you want to configure the construction here, so you can also no, not here, sorry. Okay, mm, make sure that okay, first we will configure the source and destination again. uh, Source data files, sorry, destination are data files, sorry, data folder, it was data folder, data files. Okay, here we are having two, and here we are having template file. Okay, so everything is okay, so we will make this, and here we will auto layout. So auto lay has been done. Okay, so let's run the packet and we will see that what is the output of this. Okay, package has been successfully executed, so we will see that either data has been successfully populated or not. Okay, data has been successfully populated, but 549. Okay. Mhm. But we are not here. It's something is missing. Let me fix this first. Just stop this and check the variables again because I missed something. I missed something. This is this expression will be not here. This expression will be not here. So I will remove this and I will put here. Okay, this expression will be there. Okay, here it will be no because data folder. This is the folder name. Okay, so okay, so we will see again. mm, okay, everything is okay. Data files, uh, data file. Let's see what the output of this. Okay, wait. Okay, now we will see again that data has been successfully generated or not. So here you go, that file has been successfully generated with the product and each and everything. So this was our challenge. Still data is not loaded. Why it's not loaded? So I will show you, because we are having some issue over here. Okay, I will stop because I did not give the file name. Uh, Template folder, in the template folder, what was the template? Let me check this template first. Okay, in template we were having nothing, only a data folder. Okay, so what we will do, we will go here, we will see the property. Yes. We will make this true. Okay, and here we are having expression. So what we will do, we will take this expression, Excel file path and data folder. Sorry, in Excel file path we are going to putting this as a, okay. So done. Here this one is done. So we also make the property for this to true, because delay validation will be true. So let's see and output. Oh, that's great. So second file has been created and the data should be populated inside the, still data is not populated, because my data is not populated because, as I mentioned you before, that because it's not taking as a general, if we change the type to text, because we are having, because we already changed the type to Unicode, so that's why this data will be not insert over here. So if I change here and I will rerun the package again, so data will be successfully populated inside the table. That the data has been successfully populated inside the table. Let me rerun the package again and let me show you again. Okay, here we are having, here is the package. So I will rerun this package again, giving the error because this one is already open. Data has been successfully populated over here. Okay, this is giving some kind of error, but usually the data has been successfully inserted in the table. Okay, how to use variable? I already show you how to use variable. These are the variable which we use. Uh, uh, Data file, data folder, and template file for to load the data. Okay, the next one was how to write expressions to get date time in, as I show you over here, that how to write expressions. These are the expression, how to write it. So it's very easy. If you need this expression, I will put in the description as well, so you can get from here there. Okay, how to use delay validation property in SSIS package to ignore prevalidation in SI package. So let me show you this part as well. So it's also very important, how to. check the delay. Okay, here you click on the property. So here we are having delay validation. So you will always keep this as true in order to load the data in the tables. And for same for Excel as well. So you will also change the validation to true as well. So it will delay the data and which will load the data because currently we are having, so it's already configured successfully. Okay, the this is all from how to use variable in Excel. This is all from my side. If you have any question related to this, so you can ask me anytime. So it will be helpful for me. Thanks a lot for your attention. And this is how to create SSI package with Datetime. Thanks for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please comments on this video. Thanks for watching. This is my channel name. Farhad Calculation. You can go and you can see many other videos as well. Thank you so much for your time, for your support. Thank you so much.